First of all, download and install this Instagram account checking application on your PC. Open the Instagram checking application. When the application launches, you'll see two buttons on the screen. Select the first option, Start Your Journey, and click on it. This will open a new window, where you'll see several tools available and you'll find 4 major features. Select the first one, Phishing Attacks, and continue. After that, another window will appear with several options. At the top, you'll see a text box where you need to paste the Instagram profile link you want to open and use freely. Now, open your browser and sign in to your Instagram account. Choose the Instagram profile you want to review. Click to open the Instagram profile. I'm selecting this profile as an example. Click on the profile, and it will open the profile page. Now go to the browser address bar at the top, highlight the Instagram profile URL, right-click, and copy it. Then go back to the Instagram Checker application. Right-click inside the text box and paste the copied Instagram profile link. After that, click the Scan Account button. The application will automatically begin scanning the selected Instagram profile. Once the scanning is complete, you'll see the account details on the screen. In the first section, you'll find information such as the profile name, number of posts, followers, following, and Instagram username. In the other sections, you'll see additional details such as active devices, action required, security integrity, and recent activity. At the bottom right corner, you'll see a button labeled Fetch Account Data. Click on it. This will open another window with multiple options and checkboxes. This part is important. Select only the options and checkboxes shown here, and leave the rest unchanged. Once you've selected them, click the Fetch Account Data button in the bottom right corner. After clicking it, a coding screen will appear. At this stage, you don't need to do anything. The application will automatically run the required processes. Just sit back and wait for the process to finish. This may take a couple of minutes. Once the process is complete, the application will begin collecting the account data. After a few seconds, the selected Instagram profile information will appear in the panel on the right side of the screen. Now, confirm that this is the same profile link you copied from the browser. And that's it, the account review is now complete. You can now check the account information, review the activity, and monitor the profile details easily. As you can see, the process is simple and easy. If you found this video helpful, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.